piece.
Whoa.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun to record down there. I wrote this ballad, which is one of our favorite songs. It's called Tennessee, and it features the beautiful Adriel Harris over here singing it for me. And you sing that blues. You sing that shit. Wait. Timing is perfect. We'll just swing across the southern sky, lift a match to my morning eyes. Well, we'd all die young if we're lucky, babe. And you'd hate the dark to prove the dawn. Need me no more and I'll be gone. I'll die to love somebody like you love him. Oh, but you look just like me, darling Tennessee. Do you think she'll know or see me now like the broken man I am? Doing a little bit more than the best I can. Still, she's gonna need a little more. Cast your light into my room, kiss me deeper, I'm leaving soon. We're far too young to be dying now. So just draw me down with every word till we find out what we deserve. Well, I know I cannot pay my debts free. Oh, but she looks just like me, darling Tennessee. Do you think she'll know me or see me now like the broken man I am? Doing a little bit more than the best I can. Still, she's gonna need a little more. But I was standing this grave, and I was spit in my Savior's face, with my coat tattered and torn, just to know that my love would be reborn. And our days pass like all